Hi everyone, it is July 13th, 2022. It's around 8 o'clock p.m. and I'm walking from the Royal Ontario Museum at Bloor Street and Avenue Road. It was raining earlier today, and it's been a very humid day. It's slightly on the cool side tonight. Here's a look up Avenue to the north. Or here's a look north on Avenue Road. There's Church of the Redeemer. I'm now walking east on Bloor Street. I hope everyone's having a good week. I just finished a tour of Queen's Park. It was very nice. Here's Louis Vuitton. There's a plaque here beside Church of the Redeemer. I'm going to take a closer look. The Edible Garden at 150 Bloor Street West. Welcome to the Edible Garden at 150 Bloor Street West. The garden is part of a new Collier's Real Estate Management Services program intended to activate commercial sites, create new community spaces, support community wellness, and enhance urban biodiversity. Who said commercial buildings only need to be associated with decorative landscaping? We are proudly moving from unproductive to productive uses and growing for our community. Food harvested from this garden will be donated to the local community. What are we growing? On our quote-unquote little farm, you'll find kale, lettuce, onions, herbs, and more. Looking forward to growing together. Here's a closer look at the Edible Garden. There's some basil. This one is purple beans, which have sprouted but have not grown yet. Here's some red cabbage. And there's the kale. Here's a Louis Vuitton store. I had a chance to watch this video on the history of Louis Vuitton, and they were saying how Louis Vuitton figured out how to make trunks used in traveling at the time where the railroads were becoming more and more prominent and popular. Here's Tiffany and Company. He figured out how to make trunks out of canvas instead of leather. And by making the trunks out of canvas, you were able to stack them one on top of each other. And it made transporting your luggage much more easier and convenient than traditional leather trunks, which had a curved top, so that if you got rain on your luggage, it would slope downwards and the water would fall off your trunk. But that curved top prevented one from being able to stack one's luggage on top of each other. Here's a Burberry store. And so with this idea, he was able to revolutionize the business for trunks. And then he later expanded into women's handbags and other kinds of clothing. Here's the Gucci store. Looks like they're doing some renovation. There's a Cartier store and Prada store, across which you'll find Winners and HomeSense. Here's Brooks Brothers. It says we're moving up to 60% off the entire store. There's Dior and Dolce & Gabbana. Here's La Citane en Provence. I hope I pronounced that correctly.
And
There's a Rolex store. It's a quiet evening here in Yorkville, Toronto. Here's the Hermes store. And they're closed for today. This is the Holt Renfrew men's store. And they're closed as well. We're now passing Bloor Street. And on the corner here of Bloor Street and Bloor Street is Harry Rosen. Here's a look at what they have in the mirror at this time. Here's the boot store. So now here at Bay Street and Bloor Street. Here's a look south on Bay Street. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take this. Take this light down.
Bye, Lauren.
There's Italy. And right below it is Maison Berks. And above Italy is this building here, which is an example of brutalism architecture. There's Tim Hortons, and they're open 24 hours. I just did a video in Queen's Park, and there's a lot of new monuments and things to see there since I was last there, which was over a year ago, I'd say. I didn't get a chance to get all of it. In other words, I didn't get a chance to get the northern half of Queen's Park. I was able to go around the southern half, and I was able to cover the legislative building and some of the statues and monuments surrounding it. And we are now here at Charles Street West and Bay Street. And I'm going to end this one here. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. To see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.